Welcome to our session on appointing designers and consultants. Hello everyone, and welcome to our engaging session focused on the critical theme of appointing designers and consultants in the context of restaurant development. Today, we will delve into the significant roles that these design professionals play in ensuring the successful construction and operation of restaurants. Choosing the right designers and consultants is not just important, it is absolutely vital for the overall success of any restaurant project. Together, we will explore how their expertise can transform your vision into a thriving reality. Objective of the session. The primary objective of our session today is to illuminate the paramount importance of design professionals in the restaurant construction process. We will take an in-depth look at the various types of designers and consultants you may need to engage in your project, outline their specific roles, and discuss how their specialized knowledge and skills can significantly enhance the success and functionality of your restaurant. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of how to effectively leverage these resources in your own endeavors. Overview of design professionals. Let us now turn our attention to the key players involved in the intricate process of restaurant construction. There are three primary categories of design professionals that are essential to the success of any restaurant project: interior designers, IDs, MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, consultants, and quantity surveyors, QS. Each of these roles brings unique expertise and insights, and understanding their functions will help you in navigating the complexities of your restaurant's development. Role of interior designers, IDs. Interior designers play a pivotal role in shaping the aesthetic and functional aspects of your restaurant. Their responsibilities include developing layouts that are not only functional but also visually appealing, ensuring that the space reflects the restaurant's unique vision and thematic elements. The impact of their designs extends beyond mere looks. A well-executed design can profoundly influence the overall customer experience and the operational flow within the restaurant, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages patrons to return. Role of MEP consultants. Turning our focus to MEP consultants, these professionals are responsible for the critical design of essential mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems in your restaurant. Their key responsibilities include ensuring that all systems meet safety compliance standards and operate efficiently. The effectiveness of these systems is crucial, as they directly contribute to the restaurant's overall functionality and energy efficiency. Proper MEP design can lead to significant cost savings and enhanced operational reliability. Importance of appointing professionals. Now, let's discuss the compelling reasons for hiring designers and consultants for your restaurant project. Engaging these professionals brings a wealth of expertise that leads to high-quality outcomes and fosters innovation throughout the construction process. Their specialized knowledge helps to minimize risks and prevent costly mistakes that can arise during construction, ensuring that your project progresses smoothly from concept to completion. Criteria for selecting interior designers. When it comes to selecting an interior designer, there are several crucial factors to consider to ensure the best fit for your project. Look for candidates with relevant experience specifically in the restaurant sector, as this will indicate a familiarity with the unique challenges and requirements of such spaces. Additionally, review their portfolio to showcase previous successful projects they have completed. It's also vital that their design philosophy aligns closely with your restaurant's concept to ensure a cohesive vision. Evaluating interior designers. To effectively evaluate potential interior designers, consider their track record of successful restaurant designs. Seek out client references and positive testimonials that highlight their professionalism, creativity, and ability to meet deadlines. Furthermore, assess their capacity to collaborate effectively with other project stakeholders, as teamwork is essential in bringing your vision to life and ensuring the smooth execution of the project. Criteria for selecting MEP consultants. When it comes to hiring MEP consultants, there are several key factors that you should take into account. It is essential to choose professionals with experience working on similar types of projects, as this will ensure they understand the specific needs of your restaurant. Additionally, they should have a thorough knowledge of local building codes and regulations to ensure compliance. Look for innovative solutions that promote energy-efficient designs, as these can lead to long-term cost savings and sustainability benefits. Importance of quantity surveyors, QS. Quantity surveyors are a vital component of the restaurant development team. Their primary role involves managing budgeting and cost estimations throughout the entirety of your project. They provide invaluable financial insights and advice to ensure that your project remains on track financially. The presence of a skilled QS is essential for maintaining control over costs and ensuring that your project stays within the allocated budget. Criteria for selecting quantity surveyors. When selecting a quantity surveyor, you should consider several vital factors. Relevant industry experience, particularly in the hospitality sector, is crucial, as it informs their understanding of the unique challenges faced in restaurant projects. Strong analytical skills and an acute attention to detail are also paramount, as they will be managing your budget closely. Effective communication skills are essential for fostering seamless collaboration with other professionals throughout the project. Collaboration among professionals. The importance of collaboration among design professionals cannot be overstated. Interior designers, MEP consultants, and quantity surveyors must work together harmoniously to ensure the success of the project. Regular communication among all parties fosters alignment and facilitates timely decision-making, which is critical in navigating any challenges that may arise during the construction process. Common challenges in appointing professionals. While appointing design professionals is essential, there are common challenges that can arise. For instance, miscommunication can lead to design errors that may impact the overall functionality and aesthetic of the restaurant. Additionally, inadequate planning can result in budget overruns that could jeopardize the project's success. To mitigate these risks, it is vital to establish clear communication channels and maintain regular updates to keep everyone informed and aligned. Case studies of successful collaborations. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of successful restaurant projects. These case studies will highlight instances where effective collaboration among designers, consultants, and quantity surveyors led to outstanding results. We will discuss the valuable lessons learned from these experiences and identify best practices that can be applied to your own projects, demonstrating how teamwork and collaboration can drive success. Future trends in restaurant design and consultancy. As we look toward the future, it is important to explore emerging trends in restaurant design and consultancy that are shaping the industry landscape. We will discuss innovative design trends and technologies that are influencing how restaurants are constructed and experienced. Additionally, we will examine the growing emphasis on sustainability and the use of innovative materials in restaurant construction, which is becoming increasingly vital in today's environmentally conscious market. Thank you. Thank you for your active participation in this informative session on appointing designers and consultants. We hope that the insights and knowledge shared today have been both engaging and enlightening. Remember, selecting the right professionals for your restaurant project is a critical step in ensuring its success. We encourage you to take these insights and apply them as you move forward in your endeavors in the restaurant industry.